Next up, guys, a really clean, nice day cab truck here. So this is a 2016 Peterbilt 579. Whole group of these came in from the same home, guys. They've seen a good maintenance, service program, everything like that. This particular truck's got right around 245,000 miles. I think it's just a little over 14,000 hours, but very clean, rust-free truck. It's all detailed up, sharp looking, chrome bumper, aluminum rims. It's got the Cummins ISX15 450 horse diesel motor, automatic transmission. You got air ride suspension, air sliding fifth wheel. This truck does have the wet kit as well. Clean interior, heat, AC. I think they're like 192-inch wheelbase, or kind of somewhere right in that area on both these trucks, guys. Power windows. When you pair the Cummins diesel with an automatic transmission, it just makes for a real easy to drive truck, and Peterbilt obviously good looking. So I'm here with Garrett. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there. Something nice and smooth. I think they're like 150-gallon fuel capacity. All these Peterbilt trucks. You have the rear beeper when you're in reverse there. Rubber looks to be in real good shape all around. Stirring up a little dust just coming through the lot, but nice running truck, good looking unit. So there's just a quick demo, guys. 2016 Peterbilt 579 day cab truck, real clean. Like I said, there's a group of these that came in. This is another one, real good running, ready to go to work. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.